Charlie Adam's career seems to have gone from bad to worse since he set the Premier League alight for Blackpool all those years ago. It was some of those brilliant performances that caught the eye of none other than Liverpool legend Kenny Dalglish, who swooped in to sign the Scottish midfielder during his management stint at Anfield. Even the great Sir Alex Ferguson was an admirer of the Scot, once saying that Adam's set pieces were worth £10 million on their own. That was as good as it would get for Adam, sadly. His time in a Liverpool shirt was underwhelming at best, and quite frankly Liverpool fans would rather forget the fact that he ever pulled on the famous red shirt. He never nailed down a spot at Anfield, and his £10 million corner kicks did little to endear him to an extremely demanding and expectant fan base. Adam was soon shipped out to Stoke City, where life hasn't been much better. The 32-year-old has shown flashes of brilliance, but more often than not he has struggled for form, and a dreadful disciplinary record has made it almost impossible for him to build a good rapport with the fans. Adam, who seems to have a penchant for madness, loves a red card, something that has enraged football lovers time and time again. With Stoke embroiled in a bitter battle to avoid relegation this season, fans would have been expecting all hands on deck to ensure that every point is fought for tooth and nail. A tie with an indifferent Everton side presented an opportunity for the Potters to earn some vital points as the trapdoor looms. In a scene that resembled something straight out of Game of Thrones due to the incessant snow, Adam went flying and studs up on Wayne Rooney. He was immediately shown a red card, sending Stoke and neutral fans alike into fits of anger. It can't argue that it was a dreadful challenge, but surely Adam needs to realize that he can't continue to leave his team in the lurch like this, especially at such a crunch time for Stoke City.